Adab Sat Sri Akal. So, marvelous morning to all of you. So, I am Sahil Kumar. I am a reporter of English GG Academy. So, today I am going to ask in a public some question related to anything. So, guys, so there is a one member. He is roaming here. Hello, brother.
So,
How are you?
I am absolutely phenomenal.
Okay.
What do you want to ask me?
Just I want to ask few questions. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm of course
Say,
ready.
are you ready? Then
Yes, I'm of course ready.
Okay. So, can you tackle my question?
Yes, of course I will tackle your question.
Okay, then I'm going to ask some question to you.
Yes,
So, which class do you read?
I am pursuing my class 11th.
You are in
But
11th.
yes, the education system of Bihar is not good.
Okay,
I am facing lots of problem in Bihar.
by the way, I want to ask one question to you
What?
in a straight way. What do you want to become in your life?
So my dream is that I want to become a anchoring. I want to do anchoring.
You want to do anchoring?
Yes.
It's great. It's amazing. It sounds so good. I like it. But do you have any idea how to become anchor? Would you mind telling me?
Yes, there are many steps to taking in order to become anchoring and public speaking. So first we have to become like a bake-off person. So this is very important. If you want to go in a anchoring area, so you should remove the fear. If you not remove, you will not getting this place. So it is very important. And second is communication, and third is that never afraid about to anyone. So it is very important.
Yeah, I want to say you that you have to go in public. If you totally want to become an anchor, if you totally want to become a public speaker, so I have again one question. So, are you ready?
Yes, I am eager to give your answer.
Okay. So, do you know what is importance of English in our life in this generation, in this era? Can you appraise me? Can you appraise me?
Yes, you ask me a wonderful question. I can. It has many advantages. It has no any disadvantages. It has lots of advantages only. So you should focus on the English, because English is a language that can give you much and more money. Because in this generation, it is very important to communicate in English. So if we communicate in English, I personally believe that the lack of communication, that's why the people are not getting jobs. So it is my humble request to government to focus on the communication, to improving the best personality in the our Bihar. So it is very important.
So, I want to ask one question that can you tell me means who is the best institute in a partner for enhancing our skill, for learning English, for become public speaker? Would you mind telling me so that I can spread such type of knowledge in public? Because my work is to talk in public.
So of course I'm eager to give your answer. So I'm pursuing my communication skill in English EGG Academy. That place is very important. That place is a very crucial for my life, because in order to becoming public speaking, you should join the English EGG Academy. So if you go that place, and you will get many things. So I have learned how to behave, how to communicate, how to humble you are to anyone. These all these things I teach that place. So it is very crucial for my life. So you should also join the English EGG Academy.
But it beats me. Where is this institute? Can you tell me? And what is the name of your mentor and coach? Can you tell me who is your teacher?
So it is in uh, चौराहा postal park Charaha, and I am enhancing my skills through this academy. So you should also join. And I have my coach is and my mentor is that is Sanjeev sir. So who always guide me and who always help me, and I always learn from him to in order to becoming a personality developer.
Okay, so that's it from my side. I have asked many questions, but I'm so happy, I'm jubilant to see your answer. You did in a different way, you give your answer, whatever I asked, so I'm so happy. So that's it, guys. Just cut.